Assalam Alaikum.
Wa Alaikum Salam. How are you, Maida?
I'm good.
How was your weekend?
It was good.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Everything is fine?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, did you revise your lesson? Previous one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think we don't need to revise the lesson again. So let's move on.
Okay.
Okay, you can start with Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sin Fatalif Madasa Sin Dhammawa Madda
Yes,
we know
it's okay.
Sin
Mm. Yes, yes.
Sin Dhammawa Madda Madda Su.
Yes. Why are you confused?
I don't know.
I think you watch some videos from YouTube.
No.
Okay, that's better then.
Sin
Because I
Kasra.
didn't teach you this way. Sin Dhamma Waw Madda.
Huh?
Because I didn't teach you this way. Sin Dhamma Waw Madda this way. Uh, I said Waw Sukun. But it is also better. I didn't intend to make you confused. So that's why I always used Waw Sukun. So you can say Waw Madda as well.
Oh, I think I got confused because I revised it before this class
Mm.
and like where and the picture you sent, it said when you do
Yes, when alif has fatha behind it, it is alif madda, and waw with dhamma, waw madda, ya with kasra, ya madda.
yeah,
This thing, right?
you said madda, so I
Yes,
thought it was
yes.
madda.
You can say this way as well. If you are not confused and everything is clear, you can use this way as well. Yes, you
Okay.
can continue. It is better way to do this lesson, and this way you will
Okay.
remember alif madda, waw madda, and ya madda as well. So you can continue this.
Sin kasra ya madda si
Yes,
sa su si
excellent.
shin fatha alif madda sha shin dhamma waw madda shu shin kasra ya madda she sha shu she
Excellent. Good.
fa
No.
no sod
Yes. Sod.
sod
Mm. Mm-hmm.
sod fatha alif madda sa sod dhamma waw madda su sod sod kasra ya madda si sa su si
Yes, good.
dod fatha alif madda da dod dhamma waw madda do do
Mm.
dod kasra ya madda D, da, do, di. Alif. No. Is it alif or hamza?
Where? Which one?
No. Fa? Is that fa?
No, fa always has a dot, and there is no dot here. You are confused between Hamza and Ain, and I
Oh,
always told you about Hamza, the difference between Hamza and Ain. You cannot connect Hamza, never connect Hamza with any letter. And Ain, when this letter is it is in connection with other letter, this is always Ain, not Hamza.
okay.
There will be gap if there is Hamza. Look, Hamza will be like this with Alif. Hamza will be like this with this gap separately. And Ain would always be in connection. Okay? This is the
Okay.
difference. Look, this is Hamza and this is Ain. Yes, now you can continue.
Ain, fatha, alif, madda, alif. No. Ain, dhamma, waw, madda, do,
Na,
u.
oh, yes, good.
Ain, kasra, ya, madda, e, a, u, e.
Excellent.
Um, Ghain,
Mm.
ghain, fatha, alif, madda, gha, ghain, dhamma, waw, madda, ju,
Na,
ghain,
not
kasra,
Jew,
ya,
not Jew. What is the first sound of
ja,
Ghain? Huh?
gha,
Yes.
gho,
Ghoo, not
ghu.
yes. You said Jew. Jew with Jim.
Okay.
Hmm. Do it again.
Ghain, dhamma, waw, madda, gu.
Hmm.
Ghain, kasra, ya, madda, gi, ga, gu, gi. Um, ta,
No, that doesn't have this round circle, the round head. That
ya,
is flat form. Na,
ya.
ya also has two dots, but those are at the bottom, not on top. Maida, there are only two letters which have double dot on top. One is flat one, this, which is the, you know this already, right?
Yeah.
And yes, other one is this with two dots on top.
Fa.
Yes, did you remember now?
Yeah.
What is it then?
Fa.
No, fa has a flat shape with one dot and with this head. This is fa. What
Wow.
comes after fa? Wow doesn't have any dot, Maida. What are you doing? What comes after fa? What is the letter after fa? Read,
Cough.
huh?
Cough.
Qaf, yes.
Cough.
What is it then? Qaf.
Cough.
Yes. There are two qafs, right? One is heavy, other one is light, soft. Qaf. And this is qaf with two dots, right? Isn't this different
Yeah.
from fa? Big difference. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Now it is clear.
Okay.
Mm.
Ka fatalif mada ka kaf tama wow mada ku kaf kasra ya mada ki ka ku ki
Mm.
ya fata
Why
alif
yeah? It doesn't have yeah two dots.
kaf no kaf
Yes, the softer one. Yes, yes, good.
kaf fatalif mada ka kaf tama wow mada ku kaf kaf kasra ya mada ki
Yes,
ka ku ki
excellent, good.
alif
Hmm. Isn't Alif the straight line?
lam
Yes.
lam fatalif madala
Mm.
lam dama wow mada lu lam kasra ya mada li la lu li
Excellent.
uh,
Yes,
mim
yes, excellent.
mim fathal alif madam ma mim dama uh wow wow
Yes.
wow
Wow.
wow mada mu
Mm.
mim kasra ya mada mi ma mu mi
Yes, good, mashallah. Okay, should we do the another page as well? The next one?
sure
Okay, it seems you are really ready. There is only one line.
okay
Mm. Okay. Yes.
oh
Mm.
nun fatalif madana nun dama wow mada nu nun kasra ya mada ni na nu ni
Mm.
um wow
Yes.
wow fatalif mada wa wow dama wow wow mada wu
Mm.
wow wow kasra ya ya mada wi wa wu wi
Yes, my dad. Good. Okay, mashallah. The lesson has ended here. Okay.
okay
Should we continue? Start the next one?
not today
Okay, there is something we need to learn about, but let's do it tomorrow then, right? There is a time you have to keep that in mind before starting this lesson, the other one.
okay
All right, Maida. Okay, now if you want to leave, you can. See you tomorrow, Maida.
okay
Have a good day. Call
Allah
Mahira now.
Hafiz okay
Okay, okay. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.
Bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.